Also new at 11, a bipartisan group of state lawmakers want to change a state law that limits who can sue for malpractice.
Yeah, they introduced the reforms in the state legislature this week. News 6's Treasure Roberts joins us now live in studio. And Treasure, this current law has earned a really ugly nickname.
Yeah, Ginger, Matt, it's called the Wrongful Death Act, but some critics like to call it the Free Kill Law. Under this law, if you are older than 25, unmarried or widowed, and have no children under 25, no one can sue for medical malpractice on your behalf.
This is your father in this photo?
Yes.
What do you think about when you look at this picture of him?
That's my superhero, and I don't have my superhero anymore.
Colita Smith brought her father to Advent Health Orlando last November for dialysis.
He was walking, talking, coherent.
When you brought your father into the hospital on November 20th, you expected him to come home with you all.
Yes, we did.
But he never left.
They took somebody that was a key part to our lives away from us when it was unnecessary.
Smith says after his treatment was delayed for 2 days, he became progressively worse.
They told you they forgot?
The young lady said during their shift change at 2 p.m., they never came back to retrieve my dad to take him to dialysis because they forgot.
Smith believes her father is dead because of medical malpractice.
They failed my dad from the moment he stepped into that ER.
The hospital conducted an investigation after Smith made a complaint. They sent her this letter noting after reviewing the case, medical staff leadership indicated that the care rendered was appropriate for the presenting symptoms. In a statement, Advent Health said they used third-party independent physicians to review the medical records. Unhappy with their findings, Smith and her siblings sought help from legal counsel. All of them got the same response.
Because my father did not have any children under the age of 25, that there was actually nothing that we could do.
That's because of the Wrongful Death Act, dubbed the Free Kill Law by critics. It states that only spouses and minor children of a decedent are allowed to pursue damages in medical malpractice cases.
It crushed my soul because it's like, how unfair is that to us?
Now her family feels stuck.
That law takes away from people having a voice, people having the opportunity to fight for their loved ones and to get the justice that they need.
Wow, what a heartbreaking story. So, Treasure, exactly why was this law put into place?
So back in the 90s, doctors were moving away from the state of Florida because malpractice insurance costs were so high. So lawmakers enacted this law to keep doctors here in the state.
Hard to argue that it's not terrible to lose a parent if you're under 25 years old. Like, you have no damages that you can seek.
It's terrible.
It'll be interesting to see what happens. Treasure Roberts, thank you.